Biomimicry, also known as biomimetics, is a fascinating field of science that draws inspiration from nature to develop innovative solutions for human challenges. By emulating the forms, processes, and functions of living organisms, researchers and engineers can create groundbreaking technologies that are more efficient, sustainable, and effective. As we continue to explore and learn from nature's genius, the potential for biomimicry to drive innovation and sustainability seems limitless.
Hello and welcome to the yet another informative episode of Allsensinopedia, where I'll be taking you to the world of innovations which are inspired by living organisms, and the correct term for this is biomimicry. Biomimicry is the practice of imitating nature to solve human design challenges. The word biomimicry comes from the word bio, means living organisms, and mimicry means to imitate. Its aim is to draw inspiration from nature's engineering in order to solve the world's most pressing challenges and ensure a sustainable future for all life on Earth. Biomimicry involves learning from nature, forms, processes, and ecosystems to create more sustainable designs. For example, spiders weave. You will reflect the strands of the silk into the webs to prevent birds from flying through. This inspired super windows called Ornilex glass. Velcro, inspired by the tiny hooks on bud fruits. East Coast Center of Zimbabwe, inspired by termite mounds. This building uses construction materials with a high heat capacity to hold and release heat. This building also takes advantage of the wind to circulate air throughout the building. One of the benefits of biomimicry is that it can help us to create more sustainable design solutions and environmentally friendly products. By studying the ways in which nature has solved certain problems, we can learn how to create similar solutions in our own products. Additionally, biomimicry can help us to create new products that are better suited for specific environmental conditions. Biomimicry has the potential to revolutionize the way we design and manufacture products, resulting in a more sustainable future for all. Biomimicry can also help inspire green building designs and innovations. It can offer solutions that are more efficient, resilient, and adaptable to the environment. Biomimicry can also help to companies maximize resources and eliminate waste. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.